ka mag-alala, mayroon pa tayong panibagong gagawin para mas maistima mo sila. Ito na yung pangalawang kilos. Ang gagawin nilang kilos ay magsisilbi silang tour guide or tourist guide sa grupo ng mga turista na bibisita sa litratong ipapakita.
Uy.
Okay. Ayan. Number 1, ito ang sayo. Ayan. Ang tour guide ka sa Luneta. Okay? So, kailangan, sumama tayo yung buong grupo ng mga turista.
Field trip tayo.
Ha? Halika, field trip natin to. Pakibilis lang tayo. Pakibilis.
Ay, grabe naman yung
MC, huwag ka na magsombrero.
Bakit?
Ikaw yung kalabaw sa akin.
Ay, bakit?
Orange ako! Orange ako!
Orange ka pa!
Ako bakit? Di kalabaw ka pero endorser ka ni Bilyar, kunyari.
Ay, nag-shades pa si Lassie.
Lassie, huwag ka na sumama.
Bakit?
Hindi ka turista, magnanakaw ka sa lupa.
Turista rin ako!
Turista. Hindi, kasama tayo, turista rin tayo. Kami yung mga turista. Paano ka mag-tour guide kung kami ang turista, tapos tinutour mo kami sa Luneta? Action!
Everybody fall in line. Please.
Fall in line!
Una ka din.
London Bridge is fall in line. My fair lady.
Okay, very good. Let's go. Everybody, follow me.
Follow me.
Okay, I follow you na lang.
Follow me daw.
Follow him.
Follow me.
Follow me. Follow.
Thank you. Very good. Let's go. Follow me. Ang susunod, magkakaroon ng libreng buffet. Let's go, everybody. Let's go.
Sa
With
buffet.
collagen and ginkgo biloba E. Let's go.
Buffet na collagen.
Tsaka ginkgo biloba.
Mother, doon po yung SSS.
Nasali si Mother.
Doon po yung SS.
Kasama siya sa tour! Kasama siya sa tour!
Kala ko kukuha na nga yung funeral benefits.
Sa
Sa
Luneta.
SS, 20,000 yun.
Tawa yung mga kumare niya eh.
Oo. Yes, where are we?
We are in the famous Luneta Park. And as you can-
Luneta Park!
I have a question.
Yes, what's your question?
Kaano ni Santara Park si Luneta Park?
Ay, sila ay malayong magpinsan.
Pinsan pala ni Sandara.
Ayan na naman yung galit na cobra. Buha naman siyang galit na cobra. Oh. Magpinsan. Okay, yes?
Darren, do you have a question for?
Do you want to ask anything about Luneta?
Yeah.
Luneta? Come on, Shari.
Can you tell me about the history behind it?
Okay, Luneta Park is the center of the Philippines. And as you can see here,
Luneta Park is the center of the Philippines. Ano, equator ba ng Pilipinas? Center of the Philippines? Luneta. God, may bago tayo. Luneta is the center of the Philippines.
Yes.
Very good.
Wow, thank you. Okay, ano pa?
and as you can see here, you will be seeing here the famous photo bomber in the Philippines.
Where?
Here.
Where?
The building.
The photo bomber.
The building. Who owns the building?
I think Sharon Cuneta. Okay, as per Miss Kim
Sharon
Chu, Sharon
Luneta.
Cuneta.
Sharon Luneta. Maganda na kayo natutunan natin eh. Luneta is the center of the Philippines eh.
Pero, sino may-ari ng building?
Sharon? Luneta.
What else?
Okay. So what else?
And in the Luneta Park,
Who is that guy in the middle
this one, this is
of the building? The middle unit of this condominium. Who is that guy in the middle? Kita mo yun?
that's an unidentified guy.
Oh.
Identified guy.
So, can you tell us about the guy here? Who is that guy here?
Here you can see Dr. Jose Rizal.
Oh.
That's the famous.
He's a doctor.
He's a national hero in the Philippines.
I know Dr. Jose Rizal. He's a doctor.
Why?
Dr. Jose Rizal was the one who did the Botox. Dr. Jose.
Isn't it good? Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful?
Galit na galit talaga yung cobra.
Pagbigyan nyo na. Bukas bababa din yun.
Yeah. What is the specialization of that doctor?
Dr. Jose Rizal, we call him doctor because he wrote different novels and he was hailed as a national hero of the Philippines.
Kaya siya naging doktor kasi nagsulat ng Nobel?
Because you study in a different country. When you study, you will be able to acquire doctorate and doctoral. That's why he has a salutation of
So,
doctor.
is he not a medical doctor?
No, he's not a medical doctor.
He's not a
Correct me if
medical-
I'm wrong, but I don't think he's a medical doctor.
He's not a medical doctor. He's just, he became a doctor because of the doctorate.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Oh.
It
Pasa mo
is.
yun. Pasa mo yun.
It is.
He's-
It is. Really is it?
Dr. Serizal is not a medical doctor.
Yes. Ah, talaga?
Yeah, because, yeah.
Why?
She told us.
Why? How come?
How come Dr. Sergio is not a real doctor?
What do you mean, not a doctor?
Not a medical doctor?
Yeah, Dr. Sarsgaard is not a
Sa
medical
mata,
doctor.
doktor sa mata. Opto.
Ay, may sinasabi si
Diba?
nanay.
He was the one who did his mother's eyes.
Yeah.
He's
Sorry, I almost forgot.
ophthalmologist.
Yeah, he's an ophthalmologist.
I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
Who shot Dr.
shot-
Jose Rizal? Who shot?
The Spaniards.
The
No, the photo.
Who shot
Sino kumuha? The photographer.
the photographer?
It was his friend. The friend shot Dr. Serizal.
Why?
It was his birthday party. Rizal, shot!
Excuse me, I have a question. How about Dr. Kwak Kwak? Is he a doctor?
Yes, he's a doctor for animals, for he's a veterinarian. Very good.
Your doctor. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy Luneta Park.
No, we did not.
Thank you, Kiel.
Umalis na.